In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's magic switch. Now, they've recently had a few upgrades as well, and we have a few new options when it comes to magic switch. Now, if we come up to here and click on where it says magic switch, this is where we can actually change the dimensions of our projects here in Canva and on the fly. Now, please note, magic switch is actually a Canva Pro feature, and if you'd like to try out a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro, then there will be a link down in the description. Now, the new features which they've added to Magic Switch is Translate and Transform into Doc. Now, I am going to keep these separate videos, but I will quickly cover them. So with Translate, you can now translate into any language. What you'd want to do is choose the page, so the page numbers are down here, 1 and 2. You would want to choose the page which you want to translate by clicking on whichever one that you want. Let's go with page 1. Then you'd click on here to choose your language, which there's loads from. Then what you would do is simply, once you've chosen, click translate, and it will translate that writing. Now, they also have transform into doc, where you can transform all of this into a doc by clicking on summary, all text, blog post, a few others, and then click transform into doc. Now, the normal magic switch, which is here, this is going to help you resize your projects on the fly. So we have the resize options just here. You can click on see all and see all of these different dimensions. We can also go back, come down to browse by category as well. We can choose by social media, print products, presentations, and many more. If we also click on more, we can see all of these different options. Now, if we scroll down and click on this arrow, if we click on here, we can also choose pages. Now, let's just put that back. We're going to do all pages. Then we can do a custom size as well, and come to the top and type in the actual dimensions that we want. Now, let's go back, because for this example, let's do 1000 by 1000. We're then going to click continue. We can then just resize this design just here, or we can copy and resize. So if we click on copy and resize, it's then going to do its thing. We can now open this in a brand new project just like this. So that's just how easy it is to use Canva's magic switch. Now, for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.